Hey guys, today let's learn how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story on your iPhone devices. So basically, if you want to go ahead and create your own Instagram stories with multiple photos, all we need to do basically to proceed with doing this is to head on over to Instagram, of course, log into your preferred account. In this case, I have already logged into mine. And if you want to go ahead and basically create your own multiple photos, basically create your own story with multiple photos, all we need to do and all we need to be doing is to head on over on your story, and basically from here you may now choose specific photos that you want to upload. You can also upload some videos if you'd like to, but in this case I just want to select option right here to proceed and actually selecting different photos all at once and basically multiple photos as well to upload all at once on our story. So basically, if you want to click on upload already onto your story, just click on this button right here, click on your story, select that of course, click on share, and then just wait a few seconds. Your story will now be uploaded. Of course, you can now view your story right there on your story tab, and as you see, all of those photos are now uploaded all at once on your story. And that's all to this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.